Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss on the topic respiratory system in man. Students, before discussing the topic respiratory system in man, we will discuss about the respiration, breathing, and types of respiration. After that, we will here diagrammatically studying about the respiratory system in man. Okay, now here first of all respiration. Students, you many of making mistakes to define the respiration because most of the students just answer the intake of oxygen and outtake of carbon dioxide is known as respiration. No, this is not correct definition of respiration. In shorthand, if you want to say that or you want to define respiration, then respiration is the process respiration is the process in which the oxidation of food substances take place to evolve the energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Students, the process of respiration take place inside the cell into the cytoplasm as well as in mitochondria, the cell organelle of the cell. Thus, we can say that the process of respiration is not meant by the gaseous exchange between our lungs and atmosphere. The process of respiration takes place inside our cell. But one thing common among the breathing and respiration, in this process, the aerobic organism also intake oxygen and outtake carbon dioxide after the completion of this process. Now, we also here said that respiration as the fire of life. Why we say respiration as the fire of life? Because when the process of combustion takes place, it means when we burn a piece of coal or charcoal, then what we found? We found the heat and light energy, as well as ISS as the residual matter. Then, just like here, after the oxidation of food, the carbon dioxide gas, just like with the process of combustion in which the the as the smoke evolved in the process of combustion contain CO2. Here is also carbon dioxide is present. The heat and light energy is produced in the process of combustion. Here, the energy is produced in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It is a biological coin, or you can say that energy coin of living beings, because the ATP is utilized to perform various kind of biological and all kinds of physical and vital activities that take place inside our body. Thus, students, we are talking about the types of respiration. Types of respiration. The process of respiration is of mainly two types. One, the aerobic respiration, and the second one is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Students, what is aerobic respiration and what is anaerobic respiration? We will define here and also take some example. Aerobic, the term aerobe means air. In air, the gas utilized for the process of respiration is oxygen. Thus, students, we can define the process of aerobic respiration as this is the type of respiration in which the organism utilized oxygen gas to oxidize the food material. In this process, the carbon dioxide gas, water and ATP energy is formed. While look at here the process of oxidation of a glucose molecule, oxidation of glucose molecule as example. Here C6H12O6 is a molecule of glucose, and in aerobic respiration it means in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and 38 ATP energy is formed after the completion of a glucose molecule. a molecule of glucose. Six CO2 plus 6 H2O. Here 6, 12, 12, 6, 18 oxygen are there, and we also add here 6 O2 to balance this chemical reaction. Now, in this process of respiration, oxygen gas is utilized to oxidize the fuel energy, it means glucose, inside a cell to evolve energy in the form of ATP. This process is also known as glycolysis. The oxidation of glucose molecule to after breakdown evolved energy is known as glycolysis. Now we are talking about the anaerobic respiration. Aerobe means air, anaerobe means without air, it means without oxygen. The process of anaerobic respiration may be defined as it is the type of respiration in which the organism, without taking oxygen gas, oxidize their food, or you can say that fuel substances, to evolve energy. But students, in this type of respiration, the fuel content or food content does not completely oxidize, and very least amount of energy is evolved during this process. Here we taken some example of anaerobic type of respiration. First of aerobic respiration muscles. Anaerobic respiration in muscles. Students, here also I take the glucose molecule C6H12O6, and this is the anaerobic respiration. What is formed here? Here form the lactic acid C3H6O3, a 3-carbon compound, less amount of carbon dioxide and about 2 ATP energy is formed. When this process takes place, that is the lactic acid. Students, the more concentration of lactic acid inside our muscles create the burning sensation, as well as the chances of strain in the muscle will be more, and the muscles become inactive if the concentration of lactic acid is more. Then when and how lactic acid is formed? It is formed during when we working for more longer time in such a places where the content of oxygen in the atmospheric air is very low, or when we doing exercise and not inhale properly, then the lactic acid is formed inside our muscles. and this leads to a disease of completely, or you can say that least inactive of our muscles function. That's why the students, when we are doing exercises or any kind of physical activities for longer time, then it is necessary to have a open surrounding so that we can intake properly amount of oxygen. How we know that there is the lack of oxygen? If we are working some places or doing exercise at some places, and the frequency of yawning, it means ubasi lena, just like this. If this process is experiencing in few minutes more times, then this is the certainty that there is lack of oxygen. Now here I will also take another example in of fungi or yeast, how the process of anaerobic respiration take place in them. C6H12O6, in the presence of Chinese enzyme. Here I taking the example of yeast. It get converted to ethyl alcohol C2H5OH plus carbon dioxide molecule, and about 6 ATP, 6 to 8 ATP energy is formed during this process. Here we should take balance the equation. 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 oxygen is there. Carbon molecules are 6. Sorry, carbon atoms are also 6. Then 2 to the 4 and 2 6. What are the number of atoms of hydrogen? 12, 2 5 to 10 and 2 12. This chemical equation is balanced. This is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Alcohol or ethanol that take place in the anaerobic types of microbes, just like the yeast or other fungi. Thus, students, there are the comparative differences and the types of respiration in aerobic as well as anaerobic respiration. Now, in another topic, we will discuss about the process of breathing and the mechanism of breathing processes. Thanks, students, for joining today's class.